How to create proxies in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and click on Settings located at the bottom right corner of the interface. Once you are in the settings, go to the Master Settings section. Scroll down a bit until you find the Optimized Media and Render Cache section. In this section, you will see the option for Proxy Media Resolution. This is where you can adjust the resolution of your proxies depending on the quality you need for smoother playback. The lower you set the resolution, the easier your system will handle the footage, which will improve your editing workflow. For instance, I'll select quarter resolution for better performance. Next, choose your standard proxy media format, scroll down a bit, and I'll use SQ for this example, which stands for standard quality. Once you have made your selections, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Now, go to the media pool and select all the clips you want to convert into proxies. Right-click on them, then choose Proxy Media, then Generate Proxy Media. After the proxies are generated, DaVinci Resolve will automatically switch to using the proxies for smoother editing. When you are ready to export, DaVinci Resolve will render your project at the full resolution of the original clips, not the proxy resolution. And that's it. Now you know how to create proxies in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.